Hi, this is Luna Drummond with GetFoundSolutions.com, and you found me here today because you're searching for web development in Arizona, and I'm here to talk to you about GetFound Solutions. If you're looking for a company for your next web project, we're exactly what you're looking for. We are a web development and web designing company, and we provide solutions to all your website needs. We design websites to convert prospects into buyers because there's no point in having a website if it's not going to be an asset for you. We also assist businesses to get found on the first page of Google using video marketing and social media, which generates amazing results. So go to GetFoundSolutions.com right now to schedule your free website and marketing consultation, or call us directly at 866-695-7090. And you also receive this special report called The Top 10 Marketing Mistakes Most Businesses Make and How to Fix Them Now.